This is the BW Space Pro 4K Zoom. Equipped with UCAN Robot's image stabilization technology, your footage will remain smooth and stable no matter the situation. BW Space Pro 4K Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. And with a 1 and 1.8 inch sensor and 6 times zoom lens, it offers greater safety, effectiveness, and more creative opportunities. Want to punch it in for a tighter shot quickly? Even from 50 meters away? Not a problem for the BW Space Pro. Surprisingly powerful for its small size, the BW Space Pro constantly adjusts to your commands, keeping you stable in the water and eliminating variables so you can focus on your framing. You can take it with you wherever you go. By taking our original, streamlined design and carefully tweaking it, we further improved its portability to make your life easier. Extend your creative potential with up to 5 hours of dive time and a max speed of 1.5 meters per second. Advanced automatic depth maintenance makes it easy to manage your position in the water. And for the first time in a UCAN robot drone, you now have the ability to tilt upwards and downwards up to 45 degrees and make flawless vertical movements to capture that perfect shot. Capture the beauty beneath the surface, explore without limits, and create your own out-of-this-world content with the BW Space Pro.
Your ROV is packaged into a wheeled Pelican case. To open the case, release the 5 latches holding down the lid. Your DTG3 and all of its accessories fit perfectly within one portable case. There are custom molded sections for the ROV, tether, controller, and accessories. Take the DTG3 and the tether out of the case and set them near your deployment spot. The tether is already connected to the ROV. If this is the first time you are unpacking your ROV, you will need to release the shipping screws located on the back of the unit. Using the flathead screwdriver from the lid, simply back the screw out until it comes to a stop. Do not try to forcefully remove the screw. This could compromise the unit's seal. If your ROV has 2 screws, make sure to back out both. Once released, the internal chassis will swing into its neutral position. If transporting the ROV by air or courier, you should consider putting the screw back in place. Otherwise, you will not need to set the screw again. Now we will connect the controller to the tether. Attached to the reel, there is a coiled-up cord that connects to the handheld controller. Simply align the pins to the holes and hand-tighten the 2 ends until they are firm. Push the power button to start up the DTG3. Next, we can do our pre-dive checks. Inspect the thruster by slowly pushing forward on the left joystick. Ensure they move freely. Move the camera up and down using the right joystick located on the back of the controller. Test the internal LED lighting by pressing the single light button on the control pad. If your ROV has extra lighting, be sure to test them as well. Now you are ready to deploy. Lower your DTG3 into the water by the tether. The tether has a 90 kilo or 200-pound brake strap, so don't be afraid to lower the unit by this method. The reel has 4 stabilizer legs. Be sure to pull all 4 out to prevent it from tipping during your operation. For instructions on operations, controls, and other tips, be sure to subscribe and check out other Deep Trekker feature and guide videos.
Diving and shooting. Welcome to the PowerRay tutorial video. We will introduce the diving and shooting of the PowerRay. First, hold the communication cable in your hand. Then, with the other hand, place the PowerRay slowly into the water. Dial the left wheel to the left, and then press and hold the camera fish finder interface switch button until it vibrates to unlock. You may also lock and unlock in the app by clicking the Lock/Unlock button in the right corner of the app, and then slide the pop-up bar to the right. You can adjust your speed by clicking the bottom buttons on the app, low, medium, high, or the switch button on the controller. After unlocking, the joysticks can control the propellers to rotate. Remote controller default joystick mode is Mode 4. Left joystick controls the power ray to go up and down. Right joystick controls forward and backward. Rotate to left, rotate to right. You can also switch the joystick mode in the app. Note: unlock the power ray after it goes into the water and lock it before leaving the water. Propeller grease can burn out if it is spinning in the air for more than a minute. Long press the record shoot button of the remote control to shoot the video. Short press to take pictures. The app will be prompted, but you can also use the app interface to take pictures and video as well. You must lock the power ray before taking it out of the water. Click the app in the upper right corner of the Lock/Unlock button. Slide the bar to the right to lock it. You can also lock it by remote control. Dial the left wheel to the right, and then press Camera Fish Finder interface switch until it vibrates. Note: thoroughly wipe the plug dry after each use. Note: rinse the body surface and propulsion with clean water to avoid seawater corroding the body and internal parts.
Swimming in pool, you feel it just boring. Fishing alone, so you just stare at the fishing pole. Diving with old friends, they carry camera, spear gun, float line, and you ask what we do today, and he's like, same old shit, man. So, you start to imagine, is there any way to make these activities any more interesting? Maybe you just need something with more technology, small and light, and helps you view the world like a fish. Introducing Beaky, the world's very first bionic underwater drone, driven by a 4K UHD camera, bionic caudal fin, and a streamlined body design. Operate Beaky via your smart device or remote control. It's simple to learn and easy to use. Just turn it on and throw it into the water. Beaky will automatically balance itself. Go fishing with Beaky. Put it into the water. With the bionic design, it won't spook any marine life. Record your fishing experience with Beaky's 4K Ultra HD camera. Also, the Beaky's cute design might help you make some new friends. Swimming in the pool is boring? How about some underwater Quidditch? With the built-in obstacle avoidance system, Beaky can dodge automatically before hitting any obstructions. Use Beaky to play with your kids. They're gonna love it. And the caudal fin is 100% safe. You can also set up a route to free your hands. And you can watch your kids anytime. Want to give your loved one a surprise? Beaky can help with that too. Oh, and at any time if Beaky is low on power or losing signal, it will come back to the surface. The GPS positioning system will lead it back to the launch spot. Get into the water with Beaky. The waterproof controller can help you control Beaky while underwater. Explore the places you can access. Take underwater selfies with your friends. Or just simply have fun. Capture the moments of your life and share it right away. With Beaky, we can discover a world like never before. What are the other possibilities of Beaky? There's only one way to find out.